Guys, welcome again to my new video. I hope you all are good and you all are doing good thing in your life. So let's get started without any delay. Guys, I try to maintain my fluency, but like when I do, actually nowadays I have some work, so nowadays I'm focusing on that work. And when I focus on one thing at the time, I don't do any other things. Okay, but when I like practice for when I upload 10 days to 20 days continue, at the time I said I will upload every day. But what the thing happen when the some work come and it's break, and I leave that I didn't upload that day. So yeah, it's okay, but again I come back front of you, and again I will upload this kind of video. So guys, if you want to learn English, the follow me. Okay, and I will guide you how to learn English. you know like we this is a language, and how we can learn language? Just you think, guys. You need to think deeply. When you will think deeply, at the time you will learn easily the thing. You will learn easily things. Okay, because first of all you have to think deeply that how it will be work, how I will be learn. You have to think. When you will think, you will get a strategy, like how you will study, like first of all you have to compare with the people. Okay, the who is not speaking, who is speaking English. What is the reason? In England, everywhere, like the people usually speak English. Okay, so why they? Because their environment, everyone are speaking English, so the people learn. Actually, we are speaking since our childhood. We are speaking Hindi, so we learn Hindi. Okay, so there is no any things that we are going to any institute for learning this, like how to speak Hindi. Day by day we reading, writing, we learn. So we need to do also that thing. Fourth thing fourth thing important for speaking English. What is the fourth thing? SLRW. What is the SLRW? S, speaking. S, L, listening. R, writing. Or SLRW, writing. Speaking, listening. Speaking, listening, writing. SLRW, speaking, listening, writing. Three things. See, three things, but there's a fourth thing where I'm totally confused. Speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Yeah, now it is right. First is listening practice. Listen, then speak, and then read, and then write. Yeah, this is the fourth thing. While doing fourth thing, you can improve your English. Okay, so if you are not taking action, so you need to take action. If you will not take action, how you will learn? If just you are thinking and they are passing, so you have to make a straight routine for yourself. When you will make routine, at that time you will work every day, and when you will work every day, you will learn something, and when you will learn something, you will improve, and you will improve, you will speak. Okay, so from where you can learn? You have no any strategy, like what should I do, like from where I should learn. Okay, so as I know, like you already know lots of things, but you're not able to just speak fluently. So first of all, you need to think in English. Okay, how you can think in English? Like whatever the things are you seeing in your room, and where are you living, it's not matter. Like I have a water bottle. There's a I can say glass, fan. Okay, charging point, bed, sleeper, all those things, and try to make sentences on that. That thing in English, like what I will, like just you think what have you done since your morning. Like first you wake up, after that you maybe drink water, you may drink water. Okay, then you go for washroom. Okay, then you got fresh, Yeah, you should speak like that. And you, when you will speak like that, when you will like make short sentences, yeah, a little bit earlier you will feel like bored what I'm doing, but you know guys, while doing those things you can speak English. So guys, just do the thing, don't think too much. We have just today, so work on today. Okay, learn today. So bye bye, take care, have a good day.